Hi students, how are you? I hope you are safe at the home. Okay, already I have revised two chapters. What did I revised? Yes, first chapter about globe, the model of the earth, and second chapter maps. In this chapter, especially you have learned important points I have revised in previous classes. Very good student. Now I am going to revise each question and answer. First question. Listen carefully. If a place has a latitude of 10 degrees north, it is in the northern or southern hemisphere. Listen carefully, students. If one place is there, north, okay, latitudes, okay, exactly that is there only north side. If that 10 degrees if south, he will say that exactly south side. So if north means that is exactly northern hemisphere only, it is not southern hemisphere. If 10 degrees south, if he say that is 10 degrees south, that's why we have to say southern hemisphere. What did he said in the first question? If a place has a latitude of 10 degrees north, okay, is it is in the northern of or southern hemisphere. It is northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere? Yes, that 10 degrees north, that's why you must have to say that is a northern hemisphere. Answer is northern. Next second question. What is a globe? What is a globe? Yes, globe is a small model of the earth. Exactly, student. The globe is the small model of the earth. Already you are getting your answer and question also. What is globe? Globe is the small model of the earth. Very good. Next, if anyone will ask, globe is the earth? No. It is model, one of the model. Like a role model, that person is your role model. Like that somebody will say, nah, like that. This earth is there, that role model. Okay, that model we are saying globe. Globe is a small model of the earth. Very good. Define equator. Next question. Define equator. What is the definition of the equator? Yes, see on the globe, in the between first degree and second and first degrees north and second first degrees south, in the between on 0 degrees line, latitude is line is going, that one we are calling equator. Okay, listen carefully. The equator is an imaginary line. Equator is an imaginary line. Encircle the earth midway between the poles. Between the poles, in the center, one imaginary line is going. That line we are saying, student, what we are saying, that is imaginary line. We are saying that is a equator. What we are saying, that is a equator. Okay, student. Not only that, listen carefully. Next question. How many longitudes are there in all? See, on the globe, how many longitudes are there? Already I said, in the between eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, one longitude line is going. That is one, what did I say? Greenwich meridian. Right side, Greenwich meridian, how many degrees are there? Yes, 180 degrees. And left side, how many degrees are there? 180 degrees. maybe you learn from your mass medium also. Okay, in your compass half of the, okay, compass, uh, how much, how many degrees are there? Very good, 180 degrees. Remaining half of, yes. If total all degrees, how much you can say? 160 degrees, like that. On the globe, total 360 degrees longitude lines are there. How many longitude lines are there? 360 longitude lines are there, student. Listen carefully. This question is most important. You must have to learn in your mind. Okay, how many longitude lines are there? 360. If suppose if I will ask, how many latitude lines are there? Yes, in north side 90 and south side 90. Total 180. That is latitudes. But longitudes are 360. Are you getting answer, student? Yes, very good. And next question. Name the 4 important latitudes. Okay, I said some important latitude lines. Okay, what are the important of 4 latitudes? Now I have given here. You watch and listen carefully. Okay, 4 important latitude lines are. One is at the 23.5 degrees north. What is there? Tropic of Cancer. At 23.5 degrees south, in southern hemisphere 23.5 degrees, what is there? Tropic of Capricorn. In northern hemisphere at the 23.5 degrees north, what is there? Tropic of Cancer. Isn't it or not? Yes, students, you must have to learn carefully and be concentration on the this all things you may know. Not only that, students, at 66.5 degrees north, which latitude is there? Arctic Circle. In southern hemisphere 60.5 degrees south, what is there? Antarctic Circle. See, these 4 imaginary lines are 4 important latitudes which are, okay, dividing our earth into different zones. For example, in the between 23.5 degrees north and 23.5 degrees south, what is there? Torrid zone or hot zone. Is there not? Very good. In the between 23.5 degrees north and 23.5 degrees south, these lines, what is there? Hot zone or torrid zone. In the between 23.5 degrees and 66.5 degrees, okay, what is there? Temperate zone is there. Which zone is there? Temperate zone is there in the between 23.5 degrees north and 66.5 degrees north, as well as 23.5 degrees south and 66.5 degrees south also. In this, that side and this side, which zone is there? Temperate zone is there. Okay, from 66.5 degrees north to up to North Pole and 66.5 degrees south to and South Pole, means at 90 degrees. Which zone is there? Yes, exactly is there. Frigid zone. Okay, or polar region you may find, student. Okay, no need that much very depth. You may learn that one in coming next 6th class also. Only you must have to keep these 4 important latitude lines in your mind. It is very, very, very important question. Okay, so you must have to learn carefully in textbook also. On the globe, that lines are located. Are you watching textbook or not? Are you reading properly or not? Very good. You must have to concentrate. That points also important. What are the 4 important latitudes? Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. In the exam also you have to write that degrees also. Okay, next short questions you are going to learn. Just simply I am explaining about short question answers. How is the globe useful? Is globe is useful to us or not? Yes, exactly, the globe is useful to us. How the globe is useful to us? Here some points are there. Watch and listen. First point, The globe is a small model of the earth. Globe is showing us earth surface, earth shape, isn't it or not? Yes. Second point, it shows us the shape and location of the continents, oceans and seas on a small scale. On the globe, what you may watch especially, yes, exactly, you may watch, continents. How many continents do you have? How many continents we have on our earth? Exactly 7 continents we have. And how many oceans we have? 5 oceans we have, students. Listen carefully and be concentration. Not only that, student, when you are going to learn about this all things, it is most important. This also more depth you may learn in a coming class also. Just only brief explanation. This is you are getting uses of the globe, or how globe is useful to us. Globe is showing us as it is a model of the earth, as well as it is showing us continents, oceans, seas and small scalar, isn't it or not? Very good on that. Next, third point, it also shows the shape and location of the countries and the important cities. On the globe you may watch, or you will see, you may find some important shapes, as well as you may find some particular locations. Can you find or not? Exactly, you may find, student. This also one of the important question for the exam. Listen carefully. Why are latitudes and longitudes drawn on the globe? Already I have explained in revision class in first chapter. These are the imaginary lines which are particular area that when latitude and longitude will mix or gather together at the place, we can say grid, which is showing us particular time zone you may find, isn't it or not? Yes, it is. Right. This also important, you have to learn. And next question, what is prime meridian? What is prime meridian? Listen carefully. The longitude running through the old Royal Observatory at the Greenwich near the London is marked 0 degrees. It is called the Greenwich meridian or prime meridian. It is very important to 1 mark question, students. You must have to keep in your mind. But here short question is there. But I will ask which line is a prime meridian. If I ask, you have to ready for the saying at that also. In the between this also, I will not ask this question for the 3 marks. Maybe I will ask for 1 mark also. But no need to explain this much. You can write simply. Which is the prime meridian? You have to say Greenwich. Greenwich is which longitude? It is 0 degrees longitude. It is not latitude. Latitude is a equator. This is longitude is 0 degrees is a Greenwich. Don't confuse, student. Longitude 0 degrees is Greenwich. Latitude, which one is passing as a horizontally, that line you are saying, exactly, that is a equator. Which are the parallel lines are there? Which are the vertical lines are there na? That lines you are getting longitude lines, students. Very good. And here poles, two important poles. One is North Pole and South Pole. You have to learn. And different between the latitudes and longitudes, student. Different between the latitudes and longitudes. What is the difference between the latitude and longitude is there? You must have to know that one and read, learn properly and get. Just in this discussion, I am only explaining small and short questions as well as about arts question also. Right. Next important arts question here. What is there? Are the longest of the latitude equal or unequal to each other give region. Okay, are the length of the latitudes equal or unequal to each other give region? First one, the length of the latitude are not equal to the each other. Why it is not equal? Okay, because some reasons. What is the reason? That line which is showing us in the center of the earth, remaining our globe is there na, in the center is there big size. Okay, in coming place it will be decreasing. Okay, the length of the latitude decrease from the equator to the poles due to the curvature shape of the earth. Okay, that's why it is there coming so a round shape. That's why under the the length is little. First more is there and little like that. You may watch here properly. Okay, this is one of the important question, students. Okay, right, very good students. Next time information also read, from that also some objectives maybe will come. Okay, are you ready for doing this all question and answers in examination? If I ask, be ready exactly. Okay, your exam I am going to give very difficult also. If I give difficult, you must have to write, as well as if I give easy also you have to write. If I give very tough also, you have to be ready for writing. Is it possible to you? Yes, I hope it is possible to you. You may write. Okay, let we will see in second chapter. Okay, we will see second chapter. Right, student, what is the second chapter name? Yes, map. In this maps chapter, okay, we discuss some important questions. How is direction is useful so in the map? Yes, map indicate north with an arrow marked N. N for the N for north, E for east, W for west, S for south. This is the directions observation. If we know where north land, it is easy to find south, east, west also. Isn't it or not? Yes, how is direction is useful so in map? Yes, top side always that one is a north. If you know north, you can write remaining also. Isn't it or not? Very good. What is symbol? Some symbols you are watching on the bike in different places. If one plus symbol is there on the bike, that is so doctor symbol. Like that or not? Very good. A shape or a sign that is used to represent something. One symbol which is there, that symbol is showing to us or giving us information. Isn't it or not? Yes, it is. For example, student, now liar is there. Liar symbol also is there. That symbol is there different. Isn't it or not? Yes, very good. Okay, student, you know. Next question, what is map? Map is showing us one particular area na. That's why a representation of the earth draw on a flat surface is called map. Isn't it or not? What is map? A representation of the earth which is showing to us, especially that one we are calling map. Next, define atlas. Define atlas. It is very important question, student, for 1 mark. Okay, book of map is known as called atlas. Book of map is known as called atlas. Cartography is there na? What do we call the making of the maps? One person is drawing map or one person is making map, we call cartographer. Already I explained na, like that making of map which is known as we call cartography. Maybe making of map is called cartography. Okay, this all 18 with this all 5 questions you must have to noted and learn also, student. Maybe you will get 1 or 2 marks. Next, name the different type of the maps. Already I explained political map and physical map na. Yes, here I gave extra thematic map also. Okay, you learn, but you can write any 2 enough, students. 2 you can write, no problem. Okay, in this short questions are there. Okay, all short question answers you learn. In this pakka will come 1 question only. Okay, don't expect more. And arts question also you focus on that. Okay, this also just important. If any doubt is there in first chapter and second chapter, you come with your ideas. What did you learn? That all things you come and share with us. Discussion section. Okay, bye students. Bye. I hope you will meet with me in online section.